Egypt, it controls the Suez Canal, one of the world's busiest shipping lanes that links, of course, the Mediterranean to the Red Sea. So disruption right here would certainly have some vast implications, not only for global oil supplies. I should say about 3 million barrels of oil go through the Suez Canal every day, but also worries about disruptions to just general trade. 8% of world total trade goes through the Suez Canal. Very important. And, of course, for businesses here in Europe, it is a vital waterway indeed, as you can see. Now, if transit of goods through the Suez Canal, if that's disrupted, comes to a standstill, ships from Asia and Northern Europe, there you go. Look at that. They're going to have to take a much longer route around the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa, of course. One study actually estimates that productivity in Europe could drop by up to 17% as a result. So lots of worries about oil and general trade. Let's go straight over to the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Our very own Samira is there. Samira, great to see you. So oil, of course, traded on the NYMEX where you are in New York, not on the New York Stock Exchange, of course, but lots of worries over what's going on in Egypt, and the clock is ticking in Egypt.
That's exactly right. There is lots of concern about the political turmoil in Egypt and how that may affect how oil is distributed. You know, Egypt actually isn't an oil producing country, rather, but it does control the Suez Canal. And as you mentioned, that Suez pipeline pipes in billions of barrels of oil to North America and to Europe. So the political turmoil there is causing lots of concern here in the United States. We're seeing people starting to stockpile a little bit of oil in case there is a disruption to the way that oil is supplied. We've seen that oil is now gone past the $100 a barrel mark, and that's a significant mark. We haven't seen oil be that expensive since September of 2012. You know, also playing into this is that it's the day before the July 4th holiday here in the United States, and people tend to be traveling a lot more, and so demands for oils tend to increase. Now, if you couple that with the fact that actually oil inventories here in the United States are a little bit on the decline, there's a lot playing into why you will see that oil prices are on the up today.